So I'm at the car wash. First time I've gone car wash since replacing the window a month ago. Well, I mean, we haven't had any rain. Look at this. It's just like leaking up there. Luckily, they gave me a kit. So I went ahead and put the towel there, detailing kit. The water, look at the water. So I'm trying to get a parking spot, but you can see all the water on the front of the windshield. Yeah, we'll have to put that. But look at the water. The water just came out everywhere. Sprayed at me. Yeah, I'm gonna have to call the windshield people in Safelite Auto Glass and get this fixed. This obviously is not sealed up totally up in this spot. So headliner's wet, electronics are all soaked. This is ridiculous.